Someone else is experiencing your life right now. And the reason why you don't believe in me is because you believe time is linear. What you're experiencing right now is just one moment among many moments that are existing simultaneously. Because there is no such thing as time. There is no such thing as linearity. All that exists right now is just this present moment. If there is just this present moment, then what you're experiencing is just many different moments simultaneously. It's just that the moments are unfolding so fast and seamlessly that it not feels like there's linearity. You not feel like you're in a world that's continuing out there. You not feel like things are extending there. What you're experiencing is just one of many timelines that exist simultaneously. You're not really going from point A to point B. You're not really traveling anywhere. You're not really walking. You've never moved an inch. When there's a story of a character that plays, the character isn't walking anywhere. It's just pages turning. Where did the character actually go? Any experience that you have in life right now is already there in this present moment. It's not like you're experiencing something new for the first time. You're just replaying something that's already there. You think Jesus was the only person who experienced being Jesus in the past? Do you think Buddha was the only person who experienced being Buddha in the past? Or Muhammad was the only person who experienced Muhammad in the past? There is no fixed identity. What you're experiencing right now as this person, as this character, as Rovi, there's many different versions that are existing simultaneously, and awareness is being aware of them. If you take a look at a storybook and there's all these different pages, when you start flipping through them, you start seeing a character unfold. And depending on what's being displayed on the page, you'll see a character move left, you'll see a character move right. And even when there's all this movement, nothing is truly moving because you're just fixated on pages that are always there in the same spot. That's exactly what's happening right now. So you see, there could be an image or the movement of one character moving to the left, and then there could be another character moving to the right. It's the same exact character. The only difference is one character moved left, one character moved right. This means someone else is experiencing you right now. There's many different versions of you being experienced. If you truly grasp this, then it should be enough to dissolve your ego. The ego only remains firm and grounded because you're giving into this trick that you're the only person that's this person. You're the only person, or whatever you want to call it, being this person. When you start to understand that time isn't linear, then identity breaks down because there is no such thing as a fixed identity. There's millions of Jesuses. There's millions of Buddhas. There's millions of Muhammads. There's millions of Krishna. There's many different versions of everything. It's all timelines unfolding. Why? Because there is just right now. Right now is all there is. It's like a game being expressed on your TV. The program is expressing the game and it's being displayed on the screen of the TV. There isn't any other beings out there. It's just the screen. You're just staring at the screen. It's just that the screen is tricking you into believing that you're this character and that what you're seeing is outside of you and that what you're seeing outside of you is separate from you. And because of all these different notions put together, you now believe that your identity is fixed. You now believe that there's linearity. You now believe that there is time. You're completely missing that that screen is also playing many channels simultaneously. You're just tuned into one frequency. So you see, you too can experience having a life like Jesus. You too can experience being Jesus, because lives are being replayed constantly. So long as you're attached to the dream of duality, you'll continue to feel like you're the person who's experiencing that life. And there's many lives to be experienced because they're all being experienced right now. Right now is all there is. So you don't go from life to life. That's not what really happens. You feel it to be that way. It seems like it's that way in your experience. But if you go deeper into what it is that you're experiencing, you're not living life to life. It's just consciousness observing everything simultaneously. You see? The simultaneously seeing of everything now builds a story of everything. And when that story is built from seeing everything, it now tricks itself into believing that what it's seeing is its own individualized story, when in truth, all stories are being played at the same time. So you see, you're not the only one experiencing your life. There's someone else experiencing your life right now. Furthermore, the nature of that someone else is not really another person that's experiencing it, because the person is just a false identity. If what you're seeing is made up of many pages or timelines, what does that say about a person? A person is not really a person. A person is just something you've built up from the stories that are being imagined through the turning of those pages. So if you start to see that this body is not really a concrete body that's moving linearly, it's really just pages turning. Your body is made up of different timelines. All these different images that are unfolding so fast that it now feels like it's a concrete body that's moving. So you see, it's more accurate to say that this life that we're experiencing right now is more virtual than anything. It's simulated. It's like a hologram. It's like a hologram because it's not even there. It just seems to be there. And because you're so attached to what appears to be there, you now say, well, this is your body. This is your identity. And this identity remains fixed when it's walking through time and space. When in truth, your identity is not fixed. When in truth, there is no time. When in truth, there is no space. The truth is, you're just experiencing what you're experiencing right now. And everyone else is experiencing their version right now. It's all happening simultaneously, leaving no room for space, leaving no room for time, leaving no room for linearity. All that you're experiencing right now is this present moment. When that starts to click, when you start to grasp that, then you'll see that your identity is not fixed. Then you'll start to see that your consciousness is imagining an identity in this very moment of now. And this very moment of now is all that exists.